Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Moving right along in our Learn to Cook life hack. Be making a couple of bacon cheeseburgers for dinner. If you can hear my washer in the background, I do apologize for the sound of the washer. It's just, you know, this is my home, so, you know, what are you gonna do? So I have all my ingredients here, and I'm gonna turn the camera down and kind of go over. So what I've got here, real quick, bacon, cheese, patties, tomatoes, pickles, mushrooms, hamburger buns, a head of lettuce, and a head of romaine. Now the lettuce was $1.99. The mushrooms were 50 cents. The bacon was $4.59. Now this is not the pack I bought, but I have bacon every morning, so. The patties, I actually got these on sale. These are $3.59. See there, couldn't pass that up. For 80-20 ground beef patties. The cheese was $3.50. I got Swiss today because it just sounded good. The romaine was $2.59 a head. Now what I did is I divided the lettuce and the romaine by quarter, and I'll explain why. Tomato $1.45 for two, and then the buns were $1.99. Now the reason I'm giving you the price because I broke it down. Now this is I'm gonna make 2 burgers for dinner because I've got 4 patties. Tomorrow's night's dinner will be 2 more burgers and a salad because, you know, I live alone, so when I buy stuff I have to kind of eat it until it's gone, because if I buy something tomorrow, all this is gonna be sitting around going bad. So I figured each burger, if I included spices like salt, pepper, and condiments like mayo, ketchup, mustard, well, all this for one burger is $4.75. And then if I included the condiments and the seasonings, we'll just say about $5. Now this is also according, you know, this is sale prices too, so this isn't just it's just sale prices plus. Oh, how did I divide the bacon? I think I divided it by 6 because it's a pound of bacon. I'll get easily 6 slices out of that. So let's get to work. So for $5, I'm gonna make a burger. So $10 is my dinner. Okay, so I've got bacon going. It hasn't even started to sizzle yet. All right, so I got my salad spinner out, which I highly recommend if you eat a lot of salad. I only eat a small salad, so I buy romaine because I like it. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can just get a head of lettuce. I don't like buying pre-shredded or pre-cut salad mixes because they don't use the good parts of the lettuce. I've discovered, you know, you get a lot of this part here, this white, that I don't really enjoy eating. And also when I get lettuce at restaurants, I'll ask them if they shred their lettuce or if they do if it's loose leaf or shredded. Alright, so I got my lettuce here. Just gonna knock out the center core. And just rip it out. I got a little browning around the outside, so I usually will peel off the outer levels because it's usually brown and gunky anyway. Alright, so as I mentioned, you know, when they give you shredded lettuce, see this big white stem here? Well, they're putting that in there when they shred it. Whereas I'll just pick it out and I just throw it in the garbage because it doesn't taste good anyway. Flip my bacon over. Might be a little too soon, but yes, I'm using metal utensils in a non-stick pan, but I'm being very careful. Alrighty, so now that I got this out, I'm gonna probably reserve a couple of these nice big green pieces for the burger, and then the rest here I will cut up for my salad. So that's good to go. Okay, so for the romaine, what I like to do is I actually don't use a knife on my romaine, I just cut it by hand. Well, I mean, I rip it by hand. So I'll just break it up like this. To get rid of the entire stem. See? Like I said, I don't really enjoy eating it, so why would I put it in a salad? It may seem wasteful, and you're probably right, but you know, to each their own. So I'll get this shredded up off camera. So I don't think I lost too much of this head of romaine. I mean, that's all. I wish I had if I had a rabbit or something or chickens, I'd throw this out to them, but I don't. So I'll go ahead and throw in my my chopped lettuce. Always wash your greens. It's always a good idea to wash everything. I got my lettuce here. Use it for the burger. Then I got my salad spinner. Bacon is frying up nicely. It's kind of it's interesting how it cooks like this. Some batches, I swear, they just cook like that. I don't know why though. So I got my tomato here. Doing all the prep while I cook the meat. I'm gonna go a couple slices, not too thick. I guess you can't see that from that angle, but I'll hold up a piece. And then I'll just straight cut this into quarters for my salad. So that's what the tomato slice, just nice and small. This is not even one of my good knives, it's just a standard knife I've got. So what I want to do is I want to saute mushrooms for my burger. So the bacon's done and pulled off. I got a little crispy because I wasn't paying attention. So lesson for today, pay attention. I'm sure I've said on many videos I happen to really like mushrooms, so I'll get these on before I get the meat going. I still have the burner going for the meat. So that's going. While I'm here, I can go ahead and throw my tomatoes into my salad. Let me eat the entire wow, brain fart. The entire tomatoes going in the whole meal. So there are the mushrooms. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little salt on the burgers and the mushrooms. What else have I got in here? I got some little sake mama. Put some on the mushrooms as well. Go ahead and get these guys out. Put them in the pan. And I can wait. I just got a little saran wrap on top. I'm trying to keep them from drying out so I can use them tomorrow. So my mushrooms, they're looking fantastic. Got my Swiss cheese here that I'm opening. I'm gonna start getting my bun prepped too. All right. Got a plate here for the bun. I'm gonna get the bun ready. Mushrooms are looking real good. Just trying to make sure they're all separated so they cook evenly. Alright. All I got here is I got some Duke's mayonnaise. I like mayo on the bottom of the bun because it keeps the layer of fat will keep the bun from getting soggy while you're eating it. Alright, I like mustard on my burger, so I'm a ketchup guy. Optional, you don't have to if you don't want to. And flip these. Alright, get the lettuce on the burger. The tomato. I like pickles on mine. Get 3 pickles. Now I'm a dill pickle guy. I don't like sweet pickles. Actually, I don't like them at all. If you know I like sweet things, go figure. Alright, while I'm waiting for my burger to cook, I can go ahead and add some bacon ranch dressing to my salad. And I can eat my salad while I'm waiting for my burgers to cook. There you go. Now there's no croutons in here because I got enough carbs with the buns, so. Okay, so as you see, there's a little bit of blood coming out of the top. That's going to happen. You don't want to press on them because you're going to push all the juices out of your burger. So. It also just kind of depends on how you like your burger cooked. You like it more on the well side? We'll just cook it longer. I mean, if you want to push all the juice out, you can. I prefer not to. But I'm going to flip them one more time before I put the cheese and mushrooms on, and then the bacon. And then it should all come together. I'm actually going to splurge a little bit and go with 2 slices of cheese because it just feels like a 2 slices of cheese day. My mushrooms on there. And then pick up the ones that fell. Of course, you could saute onions in the same way if you'd like. People know I don't like onions. Newsflash. I just don't think they taste very good. But you certainly could do that. And we got our crispy bacon. Just like that. All right. Oh yeah. Let's wrap this up. Lost another mushroom, but we'll save it. Sweet. Whoa. Alrighty, let's see if we can get you closer. Alright, well, there we go. Bacon cheeseburger, bacon, mushroom, Swiss burger. All kinds of fresh vegetables and nice green salad. Of course, bacon spilling out of the burger. Try to get a bite of this. Oh yeah. That's the stuff right there, man. Alright, so satisfied, full, good stuff. Naturally clean plate, clean bowl. Yeah, I made a little miscalculation too when I said about $10, $11. I also included the price of the salad too, so even with the salad and 2 burgers, I'm looking at about $11, give or take. And now I'm including condiments, seasoning, and all the ingredients I listed. So $11, and I'm satisfied. So I'm gonna spend the rest of my evening relaxing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let me know if there's anything you'd like me to try making. Any suggestions? I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.